Okay, hello, this is Opening Stuff with Manny Diaz. Today we're going to be opening an old DTE, not sponsored, an old DTE shower timers. An old DTE shower timer. This is my first time ever doing an unboxing video, so I'm not quite sure how well you're going to be able to see. First, we're removing the back. These are the only accessible screws I can find. And I don't want to remove the battery cover because I just did and it's rusty and corroded. Gosh, it won't come out. I think it might be out. Let's screw the top screw. See if it pops open. Oh, there's one at the top. Yeah, there's still one last screw. It just doesn't want to come out. Okay, I'm popping it open. Yeah, it's that last screw that's stuck in there. There we go. Here's the top half where the battery, you can see what I mean by the batteries. On this side you can see a little bit of the rust or corrosion or something. You can see the chipboard and this wire. I'm sorry that you guys can't see this much, but you can see the chipboard and the little wire that was connected to the top part. Now I'm gonna unscrew the screws on the inside. Sorry if you can hear the sound of the background. My sister was watching TV. She just left. Shoot, tried to do it with one hand. Once I get this screw out, the back should just pop right out. Pull on the wire. Yep, here it is. Here's the front. It's got the digital timer, which came off super easy. That's weird. It fell right off, and here's the start button under there. This little thing, this little circuit. Start, start, start. And oh, there's one screw that didn't get out, I guess. And at the end, I like to put this back to the other halfway, like without the circuit board, so it looks like there's actually still stuff here. So it looks like there's a button there. You go to press the button, it falls out along with the screen. here's all of the pieces. And the screws are laying on my desk. Thanks for watching. Bye.